Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to cancel your Apple News subscription right from your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. Next, tap on Subscriptions. You might need to wait a few seconds for the list to load. Now, find your Apple News subscription and tap on it. This will open a screen with an overview of your subscription details. To cancel, simply tap the Cancel Subscription button. Apple will show you some cancellation information, so make sure to read through it carefully. Once you're ready, tap Confirm. After a few seconds, your Apple News subscription will be successfully canceled. And that's it. You can now continue using your iPhone as usual. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. You can find some helpful links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.